Morning guys, I hope you guys are really going to enjoy this video. Today I'm taking you guys behind the scenes of us getting to Osaka, and by us I mean Okachan and Sammit. However, not only are we just going to drive to Osaka, we're going to go in Okachan's S15. So I'm going to be giving you a backseat perspective of what a 5'5" bloke in 6.5 hours in the back of an S15 does. Alrighty, so we are now about an hour or two in, driven pretty much all the way through Tokyo, and now look where we are. This is crazy. And I don't even think I showed you guys the car before. This is Okachan's daily. So this right here, Golf Aero kit. Is it the Golf Aero kit?
Golf R.
Golf R Aero kit. It's got the over fenders on over fenders. Running some Advan GT wheels. This car here is so cool. Check out Okachan over there. Absolutely ball, and Yashio Factory hoodie, and then a fur hoodie on top of that, orange shoes. Man, this is just so cool. Look where we are. Look where we are. I'm looking like a complete bucket gaijin right now. I have absolutely no jumper, tiny, small, and it's currently I think 4 degrees. It's just getting so hot in the back of that car. Man, check out these mountains. This is a scary sight. To update, I slept pretty much the entire way. Actually really comfortable in the back of these cars, but there's no comforts. But yeah, I think we're probably just over halfway, and I think I'm about to drive. Maybe. See. Second PA. My legs are dead. So what I think's just happened, it's just all in Japanese. Sam's given me the keys. Now he's laughing because he has to get in the back seat.
No, I'm getting in the back
seat.
seat.
You're getting in the back seat.
Yeah, I'm not going to let him make him sit down.
In his own car.
Ultimate disrespect, telling your shutso to get in the back seat.
Especially when it's his car too.
Exactly, yeah.
This thing has been crazy. Do we need fuel?
No, we're good. I think we might... no, there's no gas station here.
Radio.
It's like half a tank.
Okay, cool.
Pretty good.
Excellent.
Pretty good on gas.
Guys, oh my god. Okay, first ever time I've driven an S15. Third time in Japan that I've driven. The other 2 times have been your R33 that I didn't film. On the highway only. So this could be interesting.
Have you driven an S15 before?
Never.
And I didn't let you drive mine either.
No.
Dude, you're starting with like the most insane S15s ever. You're gonna jump in any other S15 and be like, yeah, it's not Yashio Factory though.
I know, that's exactly right.
That's literally what happened on a hot version though.
What do you mean on hot version?
So on hot version, Kechi Tsuchiya and all the drivers that would drive on there, whenever someone would bring them an S15, the first thing they'd say after driving it was, look, it's not a Yashio Factory S15, but it's okay. So everyone in Australia right now, if you ever let your S15 or ever lend your S15 to me, it's never going to be perfect. It's never going to be perfect. Well, it's never going to feel like that.
No.
Yeah.
Well, that is perfection in my eyes. That's amazing. Oh, man. Now let's not grind the gears like Sam did.
Kind of hoping you're going to stall it.
No, it's not going to happen, man.
How much would that suck, like first trip to Japan crashing Okachan's S15?
Don't say that, man.
Neck minute.
Dude, I'm a natural, man.
Yeah. Can you see over the hood?
Yeah. Oh, this is so perfect.
You can adjust the steering wheel down, by the way. It's all the way up for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's alright. Actually feels quite nice.
Oh, there you go. Let you guys know if we die or not. Give you an update.
Guys, this is like the most incredible trip. Look at this weather. The weather is so nice. I'm driving a Yashio Factory Spec S15, but not just any S15. Okachan's personal daily driver. The first S15 I've ever driven. And we've just been cruising on this highway for so long now. Oh man, it's like this. What? Man, I am like... Sugoi.
Sugui?
Sugui. Hakasuka Sugui. Well, that was an experience and a half. So the weather here is just perfection. Like, this is my favorite kind of weather. Overcast, everything has beautiful soft lighting, and coming through those mountains on the highway in a beautiful pink Yashio Factory Spec S15, and just being able to drive a Legends car. I don't know what to say. This trip's been incredible. Looks like we made it to Osaka, boys. This place is so cool. Another one there too. Oh my god, that must be where the show is tomorrow, I think. So we kind of have the keys to this thing. Yeah, boy.
Osaka, which means Kansai style, which means home of temple, no good racing, insane toge and street drifting.
We're gonna do all of it this afternoon.
Should we do a few shoops?
Oh,
Shoops
100%.
Out the front of the Auto Messe?
Do a few shoops. I'm keen for a few shoops.
Did I say shoops?
Yeah, you
I
said
thought I
shoops.
hoops.
No, you
In my
said
mind, I
shoops.
said hoops. We've got the pink bondage tape on the rear here.
Do we now, do we?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. It's so unfortunate.
I know, it sucks. The
Rip.
tow truck kind of rolled into it. She's getting fixed though after we drive back. Literally, it's booked in to get everything fixed.
Beautiful. And then I can get a matching colour boot.
This is the joke I did. So they're not going to be able to get it the same colour, right? And he goes, yeah, I know, that's what I'm most pissed off about.
That's funny. I love how the doors don't match already. The boot doesn't match this.
Yeah, this is pretty much everything that's been painted piece by piece. You can
Yeah.
tell.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, candy, the one bad thing about it, candy paint.
That's okay.
Yeah.
No stress.
No, we wouldn't have been able to go anyways. So.
Once again, guys, I need $1,000 to fly back home. I'm so confused with you.
Are you making fun of my culture?
The way that the city's set out is kind of like New York. It's kind of all squared off. It's actually so sick, and it's got a massive big highway that runs straight down the guts of it, which is the loop. Like, we're on literally the loop right now. This place looks so crazy.
Where the Konzozoku at?
The Konzozoku.
I don't know, Konzozoku or
Races.
no good racing guys. Where's the temple boys at?
Yeah. This is so sick.
We need to come out here.
We do. 2 AM in the morning in this car. This car. Get it? This car, this car. This car? Question mark? Maybe?
Guys, please.
Please?
Please help me.
Dude, this city's so
Blink
sick.
twice if you're not okay.
Dude, this
You
is...
look so good in that hair. Damn, I don't know the rest of that lyric.
The destination will be on the right.
Okachan? Where are we? I don't know. Okay, we literally have no idea where we are right now. Okachan's coming to rescue us. Here's my camera, have fun, enjoy. It's recording, I think. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see this. It's an AstroTurf wrap on a 350Z. And look at this truck beside us. Oh my god.
Check out this 350Z. He's wrapped his entire car in grass. Literally an AstroTurf. I kid you not. Look at this. Isn't that the coolest 350Z you've ever seen?
He doesn't even care. He doesn't care. He constructs something else. Oh. Ooh. Alrighty. Chill. Oh, Sarah's gonna love that one. It's a rabbit. So kind of this awesome little tiny town sort of in the middle of Osaka. And Okachan was making us drive extremely fast through the city to go pick up some of these incredible little dumplings. I don't know why you made us drive here so quickly. We were absolutely flooring it. And to come get some dumplings.
These are the best dumplings I've ever eaten in my life.
Oh, they're so good. Sagui. So I've just demolished my third meal for the night. Sam, how you feeling, mate?
Not good.
Not good.
Where do you fit it all? Oh, in your thighs that don't fit my bride's seat.
Stop! I'm really self-conscious. This man.
Sorry, Sarah.
Oh, no, that's alright. Thick thighs save lives, bro. I don't know how then, I don't know. Yeah, this bloke can eat. He's just, we're going out for Kobe beef. Kobe beef. Like Wagyu beef, which is like incredible. So, it'd be our fourth meal for the night. Sam's thinking about...
I think I need to do a tacky.
A tacky? Dude, that'd be grouse as. Don't want me to hold your hair back, bro?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Hey, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. I did. There's also a whole other video that we kind of filmed during the middle of the day that you guys will see tomorrow. We snuck into the Osaka Auto Messe, which you guys will see in tomorrow's video. Still don't know how we did it, but we did. But as for now, this guy here is tired, he's stressed, and he needs a little sleep. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Peace out, boys and bees. See you tomorrow. Can you tell I'm tired? Catches, bruh. Oh, that was trippy.